Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up GetResponse. First, you will create your GetResponse account by entering your name, email, and a strong password. Next, choose a plan that best fits your business needs, considering factors like subscriber count and desired features. Finally, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox to fully activate your new account and begin your journey. This initial step is quick, taking only a few minutes. Once your account is active, the next crucial step is building your contact list. Head over to the Lists section and create a new list, giving it a clear, descriptive name. You can then import existing contacts from a file, or, even better, design a custom sign-up form to capture new leads directly from your website or social media. This ensures your audience is segmented effectively. Now, let's craft some engaging emails. GetResponse offers hundreds of professional templates. Select one that suits your brand. Customize your email by adding compelling text, relevant images, and a strong call to action. Remember to personalize your messages using custom fields like a subscriber's first name. This simple touch can significantly boost your open rates and click-through rates, making your communication more effective. Finally, leverage the power of automation and analytics. Set up automated workflows for tasks like sending welcome emails or follow-up sequences, saving you valuable time. GetResponse provides robust analytics to track your campaign performance, showing you open rates, click-through rates, and more. Use these insights to refine your strategies, ensuring your future campaigns are even more successful and deliver maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.